How do the lives of great artists and musicians inspire us? Through psychology, we want to explore the qualities that have led to the success of great artists. To do this, we will begin with the joy and the suffering of their lives, and ask ourselves, what can this teach us? We are Luca and Francesca. We are Italian psychologists and therapists, partners in life and also united by passion for our work. We believe that stories have the power to change people, and we want to bring together our love for music and art with our passion for psychology. Our idea was born from the desire to discover anecdotes and trivia from biographies, and to observe them from a psychological point of view. We believe that every life is unique and special. Because of this, people who have left a mark with their stories can give great inspiration to all of us. Freddie Mercury, Frida Kahlo, Ray Charles, Pablo Picasso are only some of the names of people who are part of our work. For each life, we have chosen and developed a psychological theme that we can apply in the everyday. Determination, courage, resilience, the ability to reinvent oneself. Through whiteboard animations, we would like to involve you in this fascinating voyage of discovery.